Mama wakwaba wafreme ajwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel me notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo video bi trend internet no so na video na trend no efa honorable Kennedy akompreko Japan oka NPP fo mpanifo a 4th November wakwakoto aba eyi bako no abaye flag bearer de ama NPP amayoko no oka race no na video a trend e fa no nyina ne se ose NPP fo mpanifo no se race no on step down se ne be yanka vice president Dr. Bawumia betimi edi nkunim fefefe na eno e na honorable esesa na chidifo eno motena ase e ka tro mo se step down ne de you no go step down na emome no so moto aba no ekochinchi wo mo start se ne na no okoto ya ntukwesi mu ya Royal Alan Cash kwa resign idia ene na 2024 breaking the 8 no ebeba so pa na NPP fo ahwe na emome no so mo ye no fine emuda ho na bibia koyie dia na odi nkuku a hu se bibia eda ho fine na we di nkuku nti no be support NPP fo no mo break 8 no amba ne sadia ene 2024 de ebeyire pa ama NPP fo wo Ghana ha no na video ebeto odwa no na NPP fo bebre na ene mu mpanfo na ka se na honorable na den obi en kan kire se step down opekra step top nya do obi afa won eno na Felix Apia me brother political zone ode enseme beto dwa na wo kire se one NPP fo mpanfo mo kasa election enye committee no ho baako edi nkomo na mo kire se honorable no mo nkan ahwenkire no na emome no or the request bi koi na almost say request ne de nyado metimi ayede ama no eno na enam so honorable e dey about obekeka say no na the honorable ye ne de e not into ye careful yenti nsema Felix Apia e dey etuja
other projectors now more library people Felix say the propaganda not was too much
Aha, medase jina wa mame obe rapo be jina wa mame nka we ansa na meme wura fi etiefo amutie me whether you are for Bawumia or you are not for Bawumia. If you are an NPP person, listen to me and listen to me well. Read my lips. Mene penny or no ena aspirant ni be shia ye or chair ye edin komo. Some of these things I don't have to because I want to minyam information fee. Now me catch them playing say it was never about to be stepped down. Let me tell everybody. It was about candidate to be said penny Emma executives no and your polling stage or conducting they don't want those people to man the election. Me pacho muma yenjai san trono na sa camp we di amo ye no camp we di amodi abro ye no camp we di amodi abro ye Ghana no di amodi ye MPP aban no ebre bi beba mo be answer o dia camp football bi mo ye dia mo ye no mo be answer o minia wo mo call ye no ene ye di rules na gu ho say enipa bi executive said wo mo call ye first one ni wo mo na be ye police station agent ni ade and na one aspirant sorry say adenti and na wo mo nsesa wo mo a sebi omo be man no na omo mfa wo mo ye appointees ni ade no cannot man the election. Ono said the onu ni proposal or de banono. And I'm pennyfor say no. We cannot bend the rules for just one person. And yemra yasese say san krofo we na say juma we 50 time wa yeti MPP. And krofo we na ye ko internal election ye ya. Womu na gina no mayen. Woman is no and a year Juma boom. And to me cast a one coin pesa because all suspect say yeah the government appointee we go police station be I'm an echo di unyantino on penny my omo and command sebi we election no. Now Pierre Babontia What the better one thing say will be a bukoto japa or Chelsea na Messi will be an country and so will see from may can help playing brother. Nobody Bawumia has never called no camp. No moon nim the chassis. No moon nim the share Amerina say. Afeya papa Boachie Jankunumu Komu say, Yan Copper Quanya, the Dibetamo, yes, be Germany and share. Enti Mahama dear, de bia and Tokwa Wokono, and ya faketwa begi see. Temaport also per 7 billion. And the Ubetia more than 27 million. Sorry, 27 billion. 27 billion. You go for 7 billion, and if you want to cancel the deal, we have to pay 27 billion. And then Temaport, what the Niamafa want to mean? Ghana for you if he say, will be the cost shares, some deal, no, I can sign it, and at the Yamia, I am ya, our port and operators who they say. Adiana Sabi, President Kufuor Beton, ye one sign. Utie. Ya papa tamres ba ye one sign because ya den na wo ka kire me say wo be fa me Temaport na wo wi a enipa kura be ya adwuma wo ho no wo na wo ko fa omodi omo aba meaning say me Ghana fo ya adwuma wo port bebre be ba betena fie na ye nim sika sabe ye nim aduro sabe ye nim dia ye de ye John Dramani Mahama nko a wono nko aba ye wo tumi kwaji tum na say na ya be se Ghana fo mo de mo nko so na mo nge e na kufu adwa mo men mo aye de mo be brebia se Mahama ba adia from Kufuor no time ye maintaining no at 30% no John Dramani Mahama sign no from 30% we were only getting 15%. 15%. 15%. Sister Linda, when I finish, I will give you a call. Why? Number now, me on a political zone number now, but I wanted you to send a message on it. Now come to me the personal number amount. Why? Don't worry. Thank you too. And then Temaport who yi ka ne boye den. Ghana for kura binimu kura ni mu set Temaport no sebe Mahama e de akogye awowa enti ye control hobio obi nim wo betna so na wo pese wo bie Ghana for ani no motia no mo aba ejimi for e na what asekufu adodan Godfred Dami tie ya muhuni ya sa 15% no wa fight ya mende ya je back 30%. Ye niska ye di betua enti ese papa no oda so a MLK Ghana. Such a man gets you such deals. O dear fan say NPP for crap na e kan their IMF kind also so e dey na wo kan fa ho. O dear fan say their NPP for kan no e ye tra. What of what the IMF said? And the IMF was clear. So most of contract have done Mahama nena buying signing, you know. It didn't help us. Yes, send it to the political zone page. There's a political zone no. Yeah, in WhatsApp. Sister Linda, do it WhatsApp. +1 647 559 2317. Into +1, baby. I will be on +1 647 559 2317. So we are we'll send him beba, and then I'll talk to you with that. But hey, on the real, we sit down and we forget the things here. John Dramani Mahama and then Abayembe, and we rubbish everything that Kufuor has been able to do so far. Anyways, Makasa almost an hour. Maybe 30 minutes.